This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jessica Reichley. You don't want to miss this custom-built, spacious home. The exterior of stone and brick blend well with this beautiful transitional look. This fabulous home offers high coffered ceilings and an open floor plan, gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the living room, dining room and family room, chef's kitchen with beautiful granite countertops and custom stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the primary suite on the first floor with a cathedral ceiling. Each bedroom has its own full bath, big bonus/theater room with wet bar. House is equipped with a whole house generator and extra attic space that could be converted to a gym. Welcome to luxury living. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessica Reichley at 757-509-2963.